Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, one of the most important concepts that I happen to discover and learn, in fact, by one of the great mentors, and that is learning about this bull trap and bear trap that can make us a significantly great amount of money in a short period of time. And not just that, it can save us a lot of money. Now, what is bull trap? What is bear trap? Bull trap is simply when all the technical indicators are showing that the market scenario is bullish, that the price is going to go up. The chart is saying the price is going to go up, and then suddenly the price turns around, it fakes out, it comes down. That is the bull trap. That means the bulls are trapped. Similarly, the bear trap, when all the indicators are saying that the price is going to go down, and suddenly you see the spike and the bears get trapped. During both the scenarios, it is said when you find the bull trap, you close all your longs. Why? Because when the bull trap happens, now this is the trend reversal. You will be having a for a significant duration of time, depending on which time frame that you're watching, you will be having the downtrend. And similarly for the bear trap, once the bear trap happens, you need to open the longs onto the positions. Why? Because once the bear trap you have identified, you will be having for a significant duration of time price going up for the Bitcoin. And when the Bitcoin price goes up, everything goes up. It goes down, everything goes down. I'll be showing you the specific scenarios when something like this has happened on a lower time frame as well as a higher time frame onto the chart, so that you can see the next time you happen to learn this and utilize it to your advantage to make maximum money. Ensure you watch the video completely till the end. It is going to be helpful for all of you. Guys, and again guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure you hit the subscribe button. This channel will be everything about how do we grow your finances. And for those of you who have already subscribed, kindly share this video to support this channel, and if you actually like the content. So let's jump onto the chart. This is the Bitcoin chart. This is at the weekly level. Let me just open it at a shorter time frame. Let me just open it at a 30 minutes level, and let me show you lately any of the bull trap and the bear trap that might have happened. So as we all know that the price was hovering around this level, 19,000, 20,000, 21,000, 22,000, right? This was the level that the price was hovering around. So lately what happened, like this is a triangle as you can see. So overall the price was actually hovering around this triangle, right? Touching this one time, second time, third time, fourth time. Now here, if somebody would have drawn this trend line, if you understand how do you draw the trend line, probably you will be learning over a period of time. By the way guys, if you have not got this account of TradingView, please ensure you get the account, because charting, I mean, initially I did not used to believe, now I know chart is your map for the entire crypto market. This is your key for making the money. You need to learn it, so you need to commit for it. So take your TradingView membership. I mean, I have kept the link down below in the description for 30-day free trial, and it's very cheap afterwards. But for the free trial, just 30 days, you try and do things on your own, so that slowly you start learning this. So here you have the trend line, and then suddenly it seems as if it's broken out. Ideally, if it's broken out, what should have happened? It should have retested over here, and then the price should have moved up. That's what should have happened, but the price came down rather than that. So this was like the bull trap. A lot of people would have opened the long here, opened long here. Some people would have opened the long here. Why? Because the retest is happening, but rather the bull trap happened. When we see that the bull trap has happened, the triangle, it has got back into the triangle, we should know, close your long positions. Long means like if you have bought any of the coins, you close it, or you want to make money out of it, start a short position. Short means like you make money when the price is falling down, and you see how much did we fall after that. I mean, it was a significant, like from here it just bounced for a while, but then the trend itself was downwards, over here, over here, over here, and then at this point of time, like the price came below the triangle. So everyone would have been like, now we are going to $10,000. It has broken below the triangle. Ideally it should have tested over here, and then it should have gone down further. But what happened? It went inside the triangle, and that's when it went over here and then again inside the triangle. So this again was the bear trap. The moment you see the bear trap, as I said, open the longs, close your shorts, open the long position or a spot position. Why? Because then you had this upper trend line over and over. And then ideally what happens when you have this upper trend line, you have high and then the next should be higher high. If you have a lower high and then lower low, that means now the price is again back onto the downtrend line. So here everyone was waiting for the higher high, and at this point of time it actually formed the higher high, but it should have been tested over here and then bounced back from here because it found the higher high. But what happened? It was a bull trap over here again. So when the bull trap happens, again close your long position. This was the buy long position. This was the indicator of closing the long position. Why? Because it formed lower high, lower low. That means now we are in a downtrend. So similarly, like everywhere, you should identify the bear trap and bull trap. That is the best money making opportunity. Why? Because ideally what happens, everyone is working, like a lot of people are trading based on the indicators. So when the indicators suggest something, a lot of people would have been trading in that direction, but things happen in the other way, then everyone who would have opened the shorts would be needing to buy it over here. Their stop loss will be calling. So it has to go up. The trend has to go up. Similarly, the longs have to be sold over here. It has to be, the stop loss will be called. A lot of people will be closing the position. So it stays there for a long period of time. This is at the shorter time frame. Let me just show you the biggest bull trap that happened for 2021 entire year. If I open the weekly charts, that's where you will see the biggest bull trap that happened. And if we could only have had paid attention, we could have saved a significant sum of money. We would not have ride the downtrend, or we could have rather made the money from here further by opening the shorts. So over here at this point of time, let's say we were over here, right? And then let's say from here, and then the price, everyone was looking for a higher high because the speculation was maybe we'll just drop from here, right? At this point of time, the fib level was here, so everyone was expecting we'll just not be able to clear it, we might be dropping it. That's a not good sign, but it actually crossed this level from $64,000 to $69,000. That was the confirmation we are going a lot higher because the higher high has formed, right? But ideally what it should have done, it should have bounced over here. I mean, came back to test over here and then bounced from here, right? Should have came back to test at the $64,000, bounced from here, but it did not. That was the trouble sign number one. So at this point of time, when it has gone down below, there could have been possibility that, okay, test this again and then comes back over here. But ideally what you should have done, why? Because right now you're still in 60s, right? You should have sold, like somebody who's trading the charts. Why? Because once you would have sold at this point of time, you could have waited. If it again crosses this level, I mean, again, you could have opened your long position. Why? Because it was just a fake out and then again it is back on track. But if it is what ideally it should have bounced from here, did not bounce from here, so that's why we sold it over here. And then from there onwards, like we are talking from November till like right now July, we have been down and down. Yes, dead cat bounce have been there. So much of the thing, like this was a bear trap, for example. Everyone was like, okay, we are falling over here, and then suddenly it just started going up. Like we went till $48,000, but then again at the $48,000 should have been over here. Again, that's a bull trap. Similarly here, it's a bear trap. So this idea of learning the bull trap and bear trap anyhow is going to make you a tremendous amount of money, and also save you a tremendous amount of money. Not always, I mean, you will be, it's not like you'll be just knowing it right away. You need to work for it. Work a little bit reading the charts, try to spend out time. That is why I recommend you make your account on the TradingView. I've left the link down below for the 30-day free trial, and it's very, very important, guys. I mean, it can literally make you a tremendous sum of money. And if you learn this bull trap, bear trap during this bear market, just imagine what will happen when the bull market comes. You'll be having a lot of opportunities around with you. So again, guys, I hope that you found the content helpful. Kindly comment down below. How do you see this bull trap and bear trap? How do you find the content? Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already. Share the video to support this channel. And I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.